So we're driving back from Phoenix, and we're in a snowstorm right now, and like we went to the Grand Canyon, which I forgot to mention, but it was snowing so bad that they were actually starting to shut down the park almost. And this is not too bad. I mean, it's still a snowstorm, but still pretty nice, and yeah. So let's just sit here and watch this, and yeah. Oh wait. Oh well, dang it. Did the snow stop coming?
Still snowing.
Is?
Yeah.
I didn't see any.
It's still snowing.
Well. Hey Mom.
Yes.
Tell them what you said that might happen if I recorded this. Mom. Alright. Well, that's a Arizonian snowstorm.